And what I got too, I like to always have a towel, so as I go, I can just be able to wipe them off. Cause I gotta find a better way to store them. I know you can store them in plastic little containers and stuff. Cause if y'all see this, y'all see I already have that, but I don't have enough room for a whole bunch of those. Look, guys, I got even more shoes and more shoes. These right here, real cute too. My husband have a whole bunch of these little plastic things. I love them. I love them. I love them. But I don't got enough room for them. So here goes some more shoes. I just wish I could find something that's not the box, that's not the plastic things, but it's like I can put my shoes without them being all piled up. Because I have to put them all inside of these boxes like this all the time. And I don't like that. Especially like when it's time for me to find something, I have to go through all of it just to find something. And I'm just wiping them as I'm finding them. Guys, I got a lot of different shoes. Let me know, guys, do y'all have a lot of shoes too? These cute too. See? And I feel good because I'm finally going through these. I feel like I wear the same shoes over and over again because I be too lazy to go through them. So y'all, this is y'all time. If you see this video, this is your time to go through your shoes, get everything together. We're doing spring cleaning, y'all. Okay, so let me get finished and I'll be back. Okay. Check out some more. I got the other pair on the other side. Guys, I would have been shame myself. Like I told you, I wear the same shoes over and over, knowing that I have a lot of shoes. I do the same thing with my clothes. I gotta start wearing my clothes. That's why I'm pulling all this stuff out, y'all, and I'm going to be using it. I'm not going to be just letting it just sit there. What's the purpose of having stuff if you're not going to wear it? Some more shoes. These so cute. I really like these. I like this brand Rocket. It's very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Okay, I feel like I'm getting some accomplished. Some other shoes. Some shoes too. I like these. And I just got some Dime on them. I'm just wiping them like I said as I go. Okay, y'all. We got a few more in here. And I am timing myself to see how long it take me to do this. Oh, I think a client gave this to me. I like that color blue. That's a real pretty color blue. I'm gonna start carrying that when I'm taking my pup places. These right here, these Uggs has been through thick and thin with me. If I clean these up and stuff, y'all, they will look just as good as they always used to look because Uggs is just the best, and you can always put that Ugg cleaner on it and make it look real good. And they're so comfortable, so comfortable. These was my favorite shoes. Some more, like I said, I got these. And oh, like I said, I love this brand right here. Put this. I don't. I gotta look for this. The other one with this one. Okay, guys. So I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay. Don't forget, we're cleaning out our closets. Completely done. I'm gonna see how many pairs I have. But guys, this is only up here because I got some in the garage, and I also have some sandals and boots. So this is just some of them. Let me know who got a shoe fetish like me. Hey guys, I don't even know how to act. I finally have my box empty. Yay! Finally, finally, finally. But I am gonna put it all back in there. But now at least I know what's in there. I'm gonna take pictures and I'll put it on the front so I can be able to know what shoes is in there. Okay. So hopefully that helped you guys. I am going to count my shoes and I'll let you guys know how many did I have. And you count yours too. Don't forget, guys, we are spring cleaning, get everything together. You can get some of them, rate some of them, or keep them. It's up to you, okay? I have to do inventory, guys. Sometimes you have so much stuff you don't even know how much you have. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I threw like, I'm gonna give 2 to Goodwill. Again, like I told you guys, this is just only some of them. I have some in the garage too, but not a lot. But I do have some in the garage. Let me know, guys. Looking at this, how many shoes do you think I have? Have some in there too, right there. And then I also have those right there. They got my pup say, hey girl, hey. She over there chilling. And I also have this. So how many shoes do you think I have total? Thanks for checking me out. Like I said, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them back inside of the box. Now though, I'm gonna put some picture right where you see it say Nissan. That's an old box, yes, but you can't get them big like that no more, and it's sturdy and I love it. Again, I do have a whole bunch of those plastic things. I got them from the Container Store, but I have no room for them, so I can't get those. So I'm just go, at least now I know what shoes I have, because I had no clue what shoes I had. And I also, like, you see that big old tub, guys, that is sandals. So stay tuned to me going through that. And that thing that's in the pink, that is my house shoes, some of them. Okay. Bye, guys. Follow for more. Let me know below, guys. Have you started your spring cleaning? Bye. Thanks for watching. Some Sheen packets, like where you get Sheen, you know how they have the little packaging, which I love them. I'm actually going to put some of the real light colors inside of them. I got like 4, so I'm gonna put that inside there so that can keep them clean also. Just a quick tip. I was able to put some of my shoes inside of here. Even if you can't close them, just put some of them inside there, because that'll keep them protected, the light color ones. Okay, guys, that was such a good thing to do. Now, and I forgot I have some big hefty bags. So again, I can use those as well. So any light colors that you have, go ahead and put them inside of plastic. Unfortunately, we don't have enough room, so you can't be doing too much. I'm gonna put it back in the box, but like I said, now at least I know what I have instead of it's just all over the place. Okay, them like you would if they were in the box. Okay, so lay them exactly like you would if they were in a box. When I go to thrift stores and different places like that, they always have like big hefty bags, so that is your time to be able to buy big hefty bags. Or you also can get them at the grocery store. So those are different places, and they much cheaper too at the grocery store or Amazon. Okay, just want to tell you that quick tip as well. Guys, here is the storage bags I am using. The hefty jumbo 2.5. They are this size. I was able actually to get 2 shoes in there. And then I also have a storage bag a little bit bigger than that. Okay. Hey guys, look at it. It is so much better. So much better. So again, guys, if you don't have any space, like I said, I know there's so many different things that you can put your shoes in, but I don't have the space. Just put it in a big box and put it in some hefty bags, the ones that get dirty quick or that's fragile. Also put some stuff inside of the tips also if you need to. And there we go, guys. It's nice, it's clean, and now I am more organized. Follow for more, y'all. This is only the beginning. We are spring cleaning, y'all. Spring cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe for more and comment below. Bye, guys.